Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just basically a show and tell of how I put on my wig, and I styled it in this video. I did try to curl it. I am not a big curler, so I have to do a little bit more practicing with that. But anyway, this hair is from DSoar. I will link the original video of how I did the color down below. As you can see, I did bleach it. I did bleach it with 40 volume developer, and it's still silky. And I was so surprised because usually when you bleach hair with 40, it kind of get a little crunchy. But this one kept its integrity and it stayed shiny and healthy looking. So I was real shocked when it came to this hair. Other than that, it shedded a little bit, but it only shedded a little bit, you know, where I did bleach it. Other than that, it was actually pretty cool. I will link the original video down below, and if you want to see a detailed video of how I slay my frontals, I will also link that at the end and below in the description bar. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video. Bye best friends.
I just wanna for you, bye.